Next exercise 10.2, first one. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted hemisphere. So first you draw hemisphere. Mounted you have the cone. Okay. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere of the same diameter. Okay, the diameter of the base and the height of the cone are 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Diameter 6, height 4. Height 4, diameter is 6. Diameter 6 means what is the radius? Radius is what? 3, half of the diameter. So that is 3. Next, determine the surface area of the toy. Okay, see. First given that. See what is given first. Diameter of the cone or the base. The diameter of the base. Okay, diameter of the base. Diameter of the base D equals to what? 6 centimeters. Diameter 6 means what is the radius? Radius R equals to half of the diameter. So D by 2 equals to 6 by 2 equals to 3. 3 centimeters radius now. Next height. Height H equals to how much here? 4 centimeters. Height 4 centimeters. But in the question, determine the surface area of the toy. So surface area of the toy equals to, see, surface area of the toy. Surface area of the toy equals to surface area of the toy equals to CSA of hemisphere, CSA of the hemisphere plus CSA of the cone. CSA of the cone. So what is the CSA of hemisphere? Curved surface area of the hemisphere is what? 2 pi r square plus CSA of cone pi r l. In the question he mentioned use pi equals to 3.14. Okay, 2 into 3.14 into r value is what? 3. So 3 into 3 plus here also 3.14. R value is 3. Slant height we don't know. See here, slant height L equals to under root r square plus h square. Under root r value is what? Radius 3 square, height 4 square. So 9 plus 16, root 25. Root 25 means what? 5. Slant height 5 centimeters. So into 5. Next. See here 3.14, 3.14 is there, 3.14 common. Remaining 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18 plus 3 5s are 15. Next. See 3.14 into 18 plus 15, 33. So 3.14 into 33. Multiply. So 3.14 into 33 multiply you 103.62. So I want area, so centimeter square. Square centimeters or centimeter square. So this is the surface area of the toy. Okay. Next second one. A solid is in the form of a right circular cylinder. Okay, right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end. One end hemisphere is there. See, and a cone at the other end. Cone at other end. The radius of the common base is 8 centimeters. Radius 8 centimeters. and the height of the cylindrical and conical portions are 10 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Heights cylindrical 10, next cone 6. Cylindrical height 10 centimeters and cone height 6 centimeters, radius 8 centimeters. Find the total surface area of the solid. Okay, first given that radius of the base, radius of the base r equals to 8 centimeters. Next, height of the cylinder, height of the cylinder, height of the cylinder h equals to 10 centimeters. Next, height of the cone, height of the cone equals to 6 centimeters. Okay, so here radius of the base 8, height of the cylinder 10 centimeters, height of the cone 6 centimeters. Okay, find the total surface area of the solid. So total surface area of the solid, total surface area of the solid equals to CAC of hemisphere, CAC of hemisphere plus CAC of cone plus CAC of cylinder. Okay, so CAC of cone means pi RL. Here slant height not there. First you find out slant height. Slant height L equals to under root r square plus h square. R is here 8 square plus 6 square. 8 square means 64 plus 36. This one 100. Root 100 means 10. Slant height 10. Okay, CAC of hemisphere is what? 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square plus CAC of a cone pi r L plus CAC of cylinder 2 pi r h. So in this pi is the common, remaining 2 r square plus RL plus 2 RH. Okay, now substitute these values here. Pi means 3.14. He mentioned use pi value 3.14. Okay, 2 into what is the radius? Radius is 8. So r square means 8 into 8 plus 8 into slant height is what? 10 plus 2 into radius 8. Here h means cylinder h. Okay, how much? 10. Now see 3.14. 2 8s are 16. 16 8s are 128. Plus 8 10s are 80. Plus 2 8s are 16. 16 into 10 160. So 3.14 into this total we add. So 160 plus 80. How much? 240 and 128. 863. 368. Now these two multiply. 3.14 into 368. Multiply. 3.14 into 368. So 3.14 into 368 is what? 1155.52 centimeter square. So 1155.52 centimeter square. So by using 3.14 means we are getting this answer. Suppose we are using 22 by 7 means in place of pi we are using 22 by 7 means we are getting 1156.57 centimeter square. So 3.14 యూజ్ చేస్తే మనకి 1155.52 సెంటీమీటర్ స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది. అదే 22/7 యూజ్ చేసామనుకోండి 1156.57 వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? సో ఎనీ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ సి. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres. Okay, this is one, this is one, stuck to each of its ends. Okay, the length of the capsule, this total length 14 millimeters and thickness is 5 millimeters. Thickness 5 millimeters. This one 5 millimeters. Next, find the surface area. Okay, see, first length of the capsule, length of the capsule equals to 14 millimeters. Thickness equals to 5 millimeters. Okay, here thickness means what? This one, this is the diameter. So diameter equals to diameter D equals to 5 millimeters. Now radius R equals to 5/2 millimeters. Okay, 5/2 means what here? 2.5. Okay, up to here this is 2.5. This one also 2.5. 2.5. Now I want height of the cylinder. This one, height of the cylinder, h equals to total length 14 minus here this one 2.5, this one also 2.5. So 2.5 plus 2.5. So 14 minus 5, that is 9. So height of the cylinder is what? 9. Height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. H equals to how much? 9 millimeters. How will get that? 14 minus of 2 plus 5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. 14 minus 5, that is 9 millimeters. Okay, now I want find its surface area. Okay, surface area equals to see, surface area equals to CAC of hemisphere plus CAC of cylinder. But total how many hemispheres here? 2. So 2 into CAC of hemisphere. So 2 into CAC of hemisphere 2 pi r square plus CAC of cylinder 2 pi RH. Okay, here 2 pi common, remaining 2 r square plus RH. So here pi is what? 22/7. 2 into what is the radius? Radius is what? 2.5. So 2.5 into 2.5 plus 2.5 into h is what? 9. H value 9. See, 2 into 22/7. So here 2.5 into 2.5, 6.25 into 2. 6.25 into 2. 2 pi is 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 5, 2 6 are 12. So 12.50 plus 2.5 into 9. 45, 18, 22. So 22.5. Okay. Now see here 44/7. This total we had. Okay, 12.5, 0 plus 22.5 is what? 35. 7 on the 7 5s. Multiply 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 22. So 220 millimeters square. This is the surface area of that capsule. Okay, next two cubes, each volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end together. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay, first one, see diagram. Two cubes are joined end to end together. Okay, see here, two cubes are joined. Okay, find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay, so total volume of two cubes, each volume. Okay, volume of cube, a cube equals to 64 centimeter cube. Now a cube equals to 64, 64 means 4 cube. Then what is the a equals to 4. Now side of the cube is what? 4 centimeters. 4 4 4, length 4, height 4, total all equal sides. Okay, now find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay, surface area of the resulting cuboid, right? Resulting cuboid, total surface area, TSA of cuboid equals to, formula is what? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 2 into length means what here? 4 plus 4, 8. So 8 into, what is the breadth? Breadth is 4. So 8 into 4 plus B 4 into H also 4 plus 4 into length 8. Now 2, 8 4s are 32 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 8 4s are 32. Now 2 into, total we had 64, 64 plus 16. So how much? 80. 2 into 80, 160. 160 centimeter square. Okay, if two cubes are joined, see here, two cubes are joined, the resulting cuboid surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Length means here 4 plus 4, this is 8. So breadth is 4, height also 4. So total 160 centimeter square.